If you're driving to work, heading on a road trip, or just love keeping your car neat and efficient, having the right car gadgets can completely transform your experience behind the wheel. So today, I'll be sharing the 20 best car gadgets that every driver should consider. All carefully selected based on performance, practicality, and real user reviews. Number 1. Kaistyle Magnetic Phone Holder. If you're tired of wobbly phone mounts that keep falling off, the Kaistyle Magnetic Phone Holder is a total game changer. It uses strong vehicle-grade 3M adhesive to stay firmly attached to your dashboard, and the sturdy vent mount ensures your phone stays secure even on bumpy roads. With its 360-degree free rotation, you can easily adjust your phone for the best viewing angle, whether you're using GPS or taking calls hands-free. Plus, Kaistyle backs this gadget with an impressive 36-month refund or replacement warranty. So it's built to last. Available in multiple colors, it's a sleek and practical addition to any vehicle interior. Number 2. LISEN Retractable Car Charger. Next up is the LISEN 4-in-1 Retractable Car Charger, the perfect gadget for anyone who hates messy cables cluttering their dashboard. It's designed with a retractable plug system, allowing you to neatly pull out and retract charging cables for multiple devices, from iPhones to Androids. This charger supports fast charging with up to 3 amps of current and runs on 12 volts, ensuring quick power delivery even for tablets and larger devices. Another standout feature is the automatic off function, which prevents overcharging and protects your electronics. Number 3. HOTOR Trunk Organizer. Keeping your trunk tidy just got easier with the HOTOR Trunk Organizer. Made from premium Oxford cloth, this organizer is adjustable, foldable, and portable, making it perfect for both daily commutes and road trips. It can handle up to 60 pounds of gear, giving you ample space for groceries, tools, emergency supplies, or cleaning products. Available in several color options, the HOTOR organizer keeps your car looking clean and professional at all times. It's a must-have for anyone who likes staying organized on the go. Next on the list is the CUIUD Touchscreen Screen Cleaner Kit. A surprisingly handy little gadget for anyone who values a spotless dashboard and infotainment display. Made with fiber fleece material, this cleaner gently removes fingerprints, dust, and smudges from touchscreens, mirrors, and even smartphones. It features a compact 3.92-inch brush, making it ideal for precise cleaning without scratching surfaces. If you're detailing your vehicle or just doing a quick cleanup, this CUIUD cleaner is an essential tool for maintaining a crisp, glare-free view on your screen. Number 5. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. The PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel is one of those oddly satisfying gadgets that actually works wonders. Made from eco-friendly, reusable materials, this lavender-scented gel effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and crumbs from hard-to-reach areas like air vents, buttons, and cup holders. Universal and reusable, meaning you can keep using it multiple times before disposal. At just 5.6 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to store in your glove box or console. Number 6. CoBak Car Registration and Insurance Holder. If you like to keep your important car documents organized and protected, the CoBak Car Registration and Insurance Holder is an elegant and functional solution. It's made from durable PVC material that's lightweight, yet tough enough to withstand daily use. With its slim and compact design, just 9.5 by 5.1 inches, it easily fits into your glove compartment or door pocket. Inside, you'll find neatly arranged compartments for your registration, insurance papers, roadside assistance cards, and even your driver's license. Next up, the Amooca car seat headrest hook. One of the most practical and affordable car gadgets you'll ever own. Each hook is made from high-strength ABS plastic and can hold up to 55 pounds, allowing you to hang groceries, handbags, backpacks, or even takeout bags securely on the back of your seat. It features a 360-degree rotating design, making it flexible and easy to access no matter where it's positioned. Installation takes just seconds. No tools, no adhesive. Just snap it onto your headrest post and you're good to go. Number 8. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Cleaning your windshield from the inside can be a frustrating task, and that's where the AstroAI Windshield Cleaner Tool comes to the rescue. It features a 180-degree rotating head that easily reaches tight corners and awkward spots without straining your arms. The tool is lightweight at 12.6 ounces and comes with a comfortable ergonomic handle for easy use. Whether you're cleaning your windshield, windows, or even mirrors, this tool ensures a crystal clear view for safer driving. Number 9. Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter for iPhone. If you're an iPhone user tired of plugging in cables every time you drive, the Jemluse Wireless CarPlay Adapter is the ultimate convenience gadget. This compact device connects instantly via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, turning your standard wired CarPlay into a completely wireless experience. It's made from premium aluminum, giving it a durable and stylish finish that looks great in any vehicle. At just 1.76 ounces, it's super portable and doesn't clutter your dashboard. The connection is smooth and responsive, with minimal lag, so you can enjoy seamless access to navigation, music, and Siri, all without ever pulling out a cable. If you love technology that simplifies your drive, this gadget is an easy recommendation. Number 10. HOTOR Car Trash Can. Keeping your car clean just got easier with the HOTOR Car Trash Can, a surprisingly well-designed and compact bin that's both waterproof and leak-proof. It's made from durable plastic, has a press-top lid for easy opening, and holds up to 1,200 milliliters of waste. The portable design allows you to hang it on your door, center console, or seat back, and it comes in several color options to match your car's interior. At only 0.6 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, making it ideal for long drives or family trips. If you're the kind of driver who likes a tidy car, this gadget is a simple must-have that makes a big difference in maintaining cleanliness. Number 11. SINGARO Non-Slip Cup Holder. If you've ever spilled your drink while driving, this next gadget is a lifesaver. The SINGARO Non-Slip Cup Holder is a simple yet smart addition that keeps your cup stable and your car clean. Made from high-quality silicone, this cup holder insert is heat-resistant, waterproof, and dust-proof, ensuring your car's cup holders stay spotless and scratch-free. It's available in multiple colors, allowing you to match it perfectly with your car's interior. The non-slip round design helps grip your bottles or cups securely, even on bumpy roads. Number 12. Govee Car LED Lights. Transform your car's interior vibe with the Govee Car LED Lights, a gadget that turns your ride into a rolling light show. These multicolor LED strips connect to your smartphone via the Govee Home app, letting you choose from millions of color combinations and dynamic lighting effects. You can sync the lights to your music, adjust brightness, or change colors with voice control through Alexa or Google Assistant. They're powered by your car's 12-volt outlet, easy to install with adhesive backing, and designed to fit under dashboards or seats. Next up is a classic that every car owner needs: the Armor All-Car Cleaning Wipes. These wipes are pre-moistened and ready to tackle dirt, dust, and grime from your dashboard, console, steering wheel, and door panels. They leave a fresh, clean scent and a non-greasy finish, giving your interior that just detailed look without the hassle. Each container is compact and resealable, keeping the wipes moist for longer use. Coming in at number 14, the Loncaster car phone holder combines sleek design with reliable performance. It's made from metal and rubber materials that keep your phone stable and scratch-free. Unlike traditional vent mounts, this one uses a non-slip silicone pad that sits securely on your dashboard, allowing hands-free navigation and calls. Weighing just 5.9 ounces, it's lightweight but sturdy enough to hold your device firmly even when driving on rough roads. Number 15. Drop-Stop Car Seat Gap Filler. If you've ever dropped your phone, keys, or coins between the seat and console, you'll instantly understand why the Drop-Stop Car Seat Gap Filler is a must-have. This clever gadget fits snugly between your car seat and center console, preventing anything from slipping into that annoying black hole. It's made from high-quality neoprene, which expands to fit most vehicles and seats perfectly. At 11.2 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to install. Just slide it into place, and it stays secure even when adjusting your seat. Number 16. THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping your car spotless just got easier with the THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful handheld vacuum is designed specifically for cars, featuring a compact and ergonomic design that lets you reach tight corners, under seats, and other hard-to-clean areas. It's battery-powered with a 12-volt motor, delivering strong suction while maintaining a low noise level of just 70 decibels. It also includes a 16-foot hose, multiple attachments, and a touch control system for quick operation. Next, we have something that could literally save your life: the resqme Emergency Keychain Car Escape Tool. Compact, lightweight, and powerful, this small keychain combines a seatbelt cutter and a spring-loaded window breaker, ensuring you can quickly escape in an emergency. Made from ABS plastic and stainless steel, it's incredibly durable and easy to carry. Just attach it to your keys, glove box, or sun visor. Weighing less than an ounce, it's available in multiple colors, making it both practical and stylish. Number 18. Yuoyar Sunglass Holder. Next up is a simple yet brilliant car gadget: the Yuoyar Sunglass Holder. If you're tired of misplacing or scratching your sunglasses, this little clip is your new best friend. It securely attaches to your car's sun visor, keeping your glasses safe, organized, and easily accessible. Made from durable materials, it holds your eyewear firmly without leaving marks or damage. Available in multiple colors and weighing only 2.4 ounces, it's a sleek and practical upgrade that helps declutter your dashboard while protecting your favorite shades. Number 19. WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster. For a high-tech cleaning upgrade, check out the WOLFBOX MF50 Compressed Air Duster. This gadget replaces disposable air cans with a powerful, rechargeable solution. Weighing just 7.2 ounces, it's lightweight, yet delivers a strong air blast to clean dust from your vents, dashboard, keyboard, or even camera gear. It comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective over time. Number 20. ANCEL AD310 OBD2 Scanner. And finally, rounding out the list is the ANCEL AD310 OBD2 Scanner, a must-have gadget for anyone who wants to understand their car better. This handy diagnostic tool plugs directly into your car's OBD2 port, displaying real-time data and identifying engine codes right on its 2.4-inch screen. It's powered directly by your car, so no batteries or chargers are needed. Compatible with most vehicles made after 1996, this scanner helps you diagnose check engine lights, monitor performance, and save money on unnecessary mechanic visits. And that wraps up my list of the 20 best car gadgets that can make your driving experience easier, safer, and a lot more enjoyable. If you spotted a gadget you'd love to try, check out all the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any more helpful product roundups just like this.